quite often, we don't want to go into our BI tool to start our analysis. Instead, we want our BI tool to send to us information on a regular basis or when some kind of threshold has been passed. So those are reports and alerts in Rill's terminology. A report looks like this. It comes into our email, and you can either open up the view in Rill directly or download the Excel file or the CSV file or the Parquet file in the data. So that's downloading to my machine, and there's the data that's been sent to me as a scheduled report. An alert is when there's some criteria that has to be passed. It's checked every time the data is updated inside of Rill, and that doesn't send you the data, it just gives you a link straight into the browser. What we're going to do here is focus on the report view. So the report view, if I open that up in the browser, there's the report that I've set up. So it's been configured with some filter values, with a time range, with some fields in the pivot table, and it's been sent to me, let's say, once a day. And the way we set one of these up, if we start with the pivot table as we would like it, is we click on the export option, and rather than clicking on one of the export formats directly, we start with creating a scheduled report. So my demo report, how often would we like to receive it? Maybe it's every day, maybe it's during weekdays only or weekly, and the time at which to send it out, including the time zone in case that's relevant. We choose the format. I'll tend to use spreadsheets for my kind of data sets being sent to me, but the options of CSV, Parquet files, or spreadsheets exist. We decide who are we sending it to, in other words, which recipients do we want to send it to. We decide whether or not we're including the metadata, which will show up as headings on the spreadsheet. And if we have it configured, we can also send it to Slack rather than email. So that would create the report, and as you just saw, it would then show up in my email, and I can download the data or follow the link and go straight into Rill to explore the data further.